Hello fellow drawers, hola amigos. Today we're going to draw Spider-Man. Como dibujar Spider-Man. This video is for both children and adults, so if you love to draw, stay tuned. You will need 4 supplies before we get started. Some paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a pen or a marker. I recommend starting with some warm-up exercises. You can start with some vertical lines, horizontal lines, counterclockwise circles, clockwise circles, triangles, squares, anything to warm up your hand to get you ready for drawing. Mi español no es bueno. So if you don't want to listen to me speaking in English, you can just mute your speakers and just follow along. Puede silenciar su altavices y seguir mientras dibujo. Hi guys, I'm Charles DeWandler, and today we're going to draw Spider-Man. And this is going to be a hard one because we're not just going to draw his face or his head. We're going to try and draw his entire body. So first, let me start toward the middle of the drawing of the paper and draw kind of a circle with a chin for his head. All right, that's pretty good. Now, his shoulders are going to kind of go across like this. Maybe draw a circle for this shoulder and a circle for this shoulder. Then we'll kind of figure that maybe the waist will go down here. So kind of draw a line here for the waist. And a rough, draw a little kind of triangle like that. Right now what we're basically trying to do is use the pencil to draw like an outline. I'm going to put dots here where I want his eyes to start, and up here is where I want his eyes to end. So let's draw a curved line coming up and going like that. Curved line going like this and going like that. Let's see, curved line up here like this. Curved line up here like that. That's pretty good. And the chin will come down like that. I'm going to try not to take too much time with this. So you might want to take more time with your drawing than I'm taking with mine. We want him to look like he has a six-pack stomach here. Alright, now we want his arms to come back and his hands to be over here. So I'm going to kind of draw almost like a skeleton of where his arms would go. And then his hands will come out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you'll notice that when you're younger, you might be tempted to draw an arm as just drawing a line. Yep, there's his arm. But in real life, a line would be only part of his arm. So let me explain. So this is like his shoulder, right? His shoulder's like a circle. Then he would have these other muscles on his arm here. And one line for an arm is really one line just for the outside. Then you need another line for the other side like that. So then you want maybe an elbow here. And you'll draw a line from the elbow down to the hand. And you'll draw another line coming up. It's not perfect, but... And what you kind of want to do for the muscles is maybe draw like a circle or an oval. And then try and draw the outside of where the muscle goes. Spider-Man has a spider on his chest, so we can draw like 2 circles, and then we have to draw 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's pretty good. Now, I'm going to switch to my Sharpie and start filling in some of these shapes in the outline. The eyes are very important, so I want those to be nice, thick lines. And I want to get the chin just right, or at least as close as I can. And connect the circle around his head. All right, now we've got the outline. Now, I'm gonna put my Sharpie away for a second. You can blow on it to get the ink to dry a little bit faster. I'm gonna erase all the pencil marks. All right, good. Now we have our outline. Now the lines on the inside are going to be a lot smaller, so I went and got a smaller Sharpie, and let's see if I can use this to draw the inside lines. That's the first time I've ever drawn Spider-Man in my entire life, so I think that came out pretty good. If you want to color this picture, you can just go to my website, drawwithcharles.com, and download our free coloring book, and you can print this out and color it at home. Or if you're drawing along with me, you can color your own drawing, and I just realized that there's maybe a little bit I can do there. Well, thank you for joining me today. I had fun, and I hope you had fun too, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy free coloring activities by downloading our coloring book at drawwithcharles.com. And check out our children's book, Dallas Do Good Goes Swimming, now available in English and Espanol. For more information, visit dallasdogood.com.